How to delete cover photo in Facebook Lite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete or remove your cover photo in Facebook Lite. So let's just get started. First of all, open up the Facebook Lite app on your phone and you can tap on your profile picture at the top left corner in your screen and you'll be led to your profile page. Once you're here, you can tap on your cover photo and you'll be finding a larger view when you tap on the see cover photo. So if you want to delete it, we usually tap on the three dot and look for the delete option. So we can't really delete it from here. So in order to delete it, what you can do is get back, and once you're here, look for the photos here and you'll be finding an album here. So look for the cover photos, and once you're here, look for the cover photo that you've uploaded, and you can just go ahead and tap on the three dot and then you'll be finding a delete option. So you can just go ahead and tap on delete and confirm this, and once that is done, that will delete your current cover photo and your cover photo will be removed and you'll have a blank space or a default cover photo, and that is it. Now you have successfully removed your cover photo in Facebook Lite. So if this tutorial helped, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips, and thanks for watching.